There are 3 other people here, son.
Oh, good. You can count. I bet they'll come back now.
Okay,
Better armor.
guys, now's not the
aid.
time for a pissing We're gonna need this.
Okay, nobody panic. I live around here, and that chopper looks like he's heading to the mall.
Zombies are real. I knew them movies were true. Let's go then. Hey, we gotta find the stairs.
Try shooting these damn zombies instead of
What did I say?
Sorry over there.
Roll-a-Tony!
Well, they die like anything else.
That shit burns. Hey, out on the ledge. Hey, watch out for the ones in a hazmat suit.
Got a pipe bomb.
I'll follow you. Look at you. Look out now.
Stay close, people.
Can you guys hear me?
Pleased to meet you. You can call me Coach. What's your name?
Yeah, it's pleased to meet you, Coach.
My name's Rochelle. You?
Name's Nick. Don't worry about learning it, because I ain't sticking around long.
Let's stay together for a little while longer at least, okay, Nick? All right, enough chat. Get ready.
All right, weapons. Reloading.
Reloading. This room looks safe. Let's get in. Hurry up.
Yep. Yep.
I
Reloading.
need every one of you inside now. Man, Savannah's awesome. Come on. Y'all ready?
I like your ass.
Okay, Nick. Being an asshole is what you do. You can change that tune now if you want.
Let's not shoot each other.
Look out!
Stop shooting me.
Sorry about that.
The smoking thing!
Hey, fucking drive!
Chainsaw here.
Reloading!
Reloading!
We have got to get over that bridge.
We'll bury you alive.
Reloading!
And y'all shoot me.
Look out!
Damn, man, quit shooting me.
Reloading!
Molotov.
Reloading! Zombies got him!
I'm not getting next week.
I'm sorry. Is that what you wanted to say?
Over the dumpster.
Reloading!
Take me the machine gun.
Good to go. Hey, jump onto that truck. Pipe bomb out. Hunter it is then. Seriously.
So that's a jockey, huh? Cute little guy.
We're heading the right way. I'll talk here. We can get up here.
Reloading!
Watch out!
That ain't a happy noise.
Watch out!
Come on, y'all, hurry up. Hey, don't stop running!
Thing, let's go.
The gun store is just up ahead. Let's stock up and keep
Hey,
moving.
watch. Oh!
Look out!
Now we're cooking with gas.
Come on now, seriously.
I choose this one.
I'm not legally allowed to
Laser
own a
sights
gun.
here.
Hope everybody's okay with that.
Thank you kindly, ma'am.
This ain't about me, people. Let's heal up.
I'm guessing you four will be headed to the evacuation center at the mall. I also know the road is blocked, but I can clear it for you. And if
Y'all get ready now. Hurry up, hurry up. Run! Hurry up. Run, run, run!
You're in charge.
Hazmat guys.
Molotov coming! Alright, man, I got the dude's cola. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
This way.
Right behind you.
Why not? I follow you.
Grabbing the cola! Gotta reload! Hey, I got the cola! Hey, I got the cola!
Watch out!
No space spitter.
That is one ugly ass zombie. Grabbing the cola!
Watch out.
You do realize they were shooting you, right?
Put the cola in the slot.
Reloading!
I'll go through that right there. Oh yeah, steel. There you go.
Reloading! Now that is how you clear a path.
Look into that hole.
Reloading! Well, I'll be damn. Fireproof zombies.
Reloading.
Reload! Go inbound! Hey, I'm reloading. I never been so happy to see a damn shopping center. Hit!
Grab the Molotov.
I'ma reload.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Don't shoot that car.
Hey, there's the ball. We made it.
I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Everybody inside.
We made it. Cena better still be here.
Stop moving so I can heal you.
Let's go find the evacuation
good,
center.
yeah. First aid
I'm already
kit
sick
here.
of this place.
See this
Much, much better
be
now.
around here Sunday. Let's train this motherfucker to get out of here.
Reloading.
Reload.
You want to watch where you're shooting?
Okay, that was a mistake.
Little sister, you got to learn to shoot.
Off that that escalator.
Oh man, you can blame that on me.
Reloading.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Down that escalator. Which? Quiet, everybody.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Evacs this way.
Heads up!
Watch
Deal's
out!
here. Sorry.
Through this door.
No, thank you.
Careful. I can hear a boomer.
Heads up! Reloading!
Search these rooms. Might be something we can use.
Reloading. I got a feeling this. Somebody turn off the alarm.
Watch out!
Up, keep going up. You have to turn that alarm off. I got spitter shit on me. I got hit by where you do shit. Someone turn off the alarm.
Oh, you know what? My bad.
I got it.
Grabbing fuel.
Hey,
What
what?
was that a noise?
That is the spot. Down here.
Bitches around.
Go inbound! Oh, shit! Damn it!
Covered in goo!
Goddamn dude! I'm down!
Oh, I don't know. Much obliged.
Ain't nothing.
Hey, wait a sec. Charger! Oh, yeah. Man, I love malls. I do. Once I was in this mall up in Atlanta, and these guys were dancing for, like, money and stuff, and my friend Dave and I was all like,
Got time for this, Ellis.
I'm sorry. Didn't mean to put you out none. Y'all get ready now. I can tell you about the time you can unplug. Nick, I know that was you shooting. Dude, this is just like Team Fortress 2.
Sweetie, I normally like your stories, I do, but not now, hey?
Okay.
Reloading.
I ever tell you about the time me and Keith filled up one... I ever tell you about the time my buddy Keith got married? course not. That's a trick question. Because he never did get married. You know, you always hear about them runaway brides. Well, Keith, he was a runaway groom on his wedding day. Yep, all started when he... Hey, I need everybody inside.
safe room
I ever
up
tell you
ahead.
about the time me and Keith snuck a paintball guns on? Only folks gonna save us is ourselves.
You should tell the story to Nick.
Check it, y'all. Jimmy Gibbs Jr.
Oh yeah, that's what
Oh
I'm talking
shit,
about.
we missed him? Oh, you know what? That's the last straw. These zombies have just made themselves an enemy.
Here you go.
Hey man, we should keep going. Man, this is awful. Hurry up. Jimmy Gibbs
Let's go.
Jr. is the
No, that's
man.
right.
I mean, I don't know anybody like that, man. Well, if you're looking for ideas, look. Hey, Coach, can coaches marry people? Listen up. You see that poster? Oh, man, I found a candy bar. Whoa, false alarm. Jimmy Gibbs Jr. is the man. I mean, I don't know anybody like that, man.
In these
But there was this guy I knew.
circumstances, I think
He
Mr.
raced
Gibbs
dirt
Jr.
tracks,
ain't
not stock
gonna
cars,
mind.
but wherever he is, Coach, he's proud of you. Yeah. Okay, now this ain't the first time I tried to peel out of a car show. Man, a girl who can shoot. Oh man, that changed my mind! Zoe's over. Let's get this car. You know what? This got me thinking. I should totally marry that girl. Sure. Hey, Coach, can coaches marry people? I hear a charger. Got a can! Get up! They're coming! I got this one. Reload! Do it now! It's the bird, man!
First aid here.
I got it. I got one. Reloading! Ducky!
Oh, it's on now.
Gigantic thing!
Don't stop shooting!
Hey, got a can. Shoot the tank, coach. Sorry.
Spinner! Watch out!
Hey, there's pipe on right here.
This thing's beating my ass!
I got this one.
Oh, what is up with you shooting me?
Look out!
Got it!
We still need 5 more. Hey, got a can.
Get in the tank. How big is the tank in this thing? Just 3 more. I got it. Such an honor. Shit.
Just took. I got one.